Hello everyone, and welcome back to Carl Is On It. Today we're going to be installing LED headlights. Big thank you to Auxbeam for sending it out to me. Thank you again, all these companies that are just helping me out with the build. And people, a lot of you have been wondering, Carl, where have you been? Well, as you can see, it's raining really badly. We've just had Storm Sierra, now we've got Storm Dennis now. I want to say Doris, well we had Storm Doris, but now it's Dennis. So all these storms coming into the UK. Anyway, let's get straight into the install. So as it stands, we've currently got HID kits on there, and to be honest, I do like the HIDs. Very bright blue, but as you can see, if I cover that, there's a yellow bulb there, looks yellow, it's meant to be blue, and that's what we're going to replace. We're going to replace that side light bulb, so everything just matches, so it doesn't look odd, and it'll be all LEDs. And also the HID as well, the HID kit as well. It takes a bit of time to warm up, so that's the disadvantage of a HID kit. It's called, HID stands for high intense discharge, so it discharges a lot of light, but it's more efficient than a halogen bulb. However, the LED bulb is much more efficient than a HID. Yeah, so all you need to do is just pretty much remove the bulb, and yeah, so you look here, that's the ballast that we have at the moment. Yeah, so we're going to basically remove them and then switch it out for the bulbs, and that's pretty much it really, and then wrap up the video. So yeah, let's get straight to it. In fact, have a look at it now, you can see it. Let me just put on the Sidelights. Hey, it's a tune going on today. Yeah, so that yellow bit there basically, so we're going to remove that. So as you can see, that's LED, which these Angel Eyes come with LEDs. Also to mention, guys, do not install LED lights on reflector headlights. Now what I mean by reflector headlights is, if you've watched my previous video, a video that I did when I installed these Angel Eyes on, these are not, these didn't come from factory, these are aftermarket part. So it's an upgraded part basically. A reflector headlight looks like inside of there. So if I turn this off now, I'll show you very quickly. So as you can see, this is a projector. That's what a projector looks like. So that's what a projector looks like. It's like an igloo hollow thing, and a reflector looks like that. So do not install LEDs on reflector headlights at all, unless you have a projector. But obviously this is part of the whole thing, so this is fine. But what a reflector would like, both of them would be looking the same as that, which is going to be a reflector. So don't install it if you have it, if the both of them are like that. Yeah. Anyway, let's get straight to the install. Also, we've got a floodlight as well, so no excuses for lighting and everything. So basically what we need to do is take out a few studs in here. So you've got one over there, one over there, one over there, one here as well. Yeah, that's what I remember. So I think it's about 3 of them. Remove them, and then we go to the other side, and then remove the ones from the other side as well. And we've got another 3 on the side, so one there, yeah, one there, and then one locked up in there. Yeah, so don't go anywhere. We got it in screw. There's a few clips underneath. There's bolts underneath here. So I think there's about 8 bolts all around underneath here, all the way to there. And then afterwards, we then take off the top one. So it's best to do the bottom before the top. So if you do the top and then you do the bottom, as you take off, it could just fall down on you. So just health and safety. Okay, let's take this bumper off. Right, the next thing we need to do is take out the headlight itself. Don't go anywhere. You've got some nice LED lights here. Came in this amazing, well, nice packaging in here. So I just love it when a box is that. Hey, don't go anywhere. My gosh. And here I have the LED lights from there. So take one out, have a look and see. So what we have here, of course, the LED light, and then we've got the connector. We just connect that straight into the port where you actually connect the lights itself. And it's also got a cooling fan, because LEDs, they're actually cool from here, but it produces a lot of energy that will need to cool itself down so it doesn't overheat. So it's nice that it comes with a cooling fan too. So we'll pop that inside and get going. Right, so I plugged it on directly straight into that. Let's see if it works. There it is. My gosh, that is bright. That's actually extremely bright. Like, of course it's a high beam, but that is ridiculously bright. Let's turn it off. So that's working, perfect. Right, so now we're gonna do the headlights now. Get that done. So, headlights out. Time to take out the ballast and unscrew this directly from there. So, I'm gonna get started now. So, I've just removed the ballast now. So if anyone wants a ballast HID kit for sale, hit me up. I'm going to sell it for half price of the original price. I was thinking it was about £55 to start, so I'd sell it for, I'd say 25 quid if you want it. Just hit me up in my DMs and then it's all yours. So now unscrewing inside of here to remove the bulb. This is where the dipped beam light bulb is. So just removing that now. Okay, so now we're going to remove that. Oh my god, the best way to remove it is basically unhook these two. There's two hooks you do, pull them down and then pull that up and this comes straight out. And there is your high intense discharge bulb. Remove the plugs from here. There you go, 1, 2, and there we have it. Okay. Also, just to mention, we've also got some LED fog light bulbs as well. They come with a year warranty as well, which is amazing. So I'm going to install them. Everything on here, guys, there's going to be a link in the description. So I'm going to take that out. So to take it out, there is in here white and black cable. So basically that bob there needs to take out. So I'm going to use pliers in order to pull that out very gently. So let's get straight to that. There we go. So pop that out. Here is the original bulb. Well, not original, but this is the bulb that I put in, but it's not obviously white. So I'm now going to place it with LED. So I've now popped the LED light inside now. I'm now going to pop the dipped headlight inside. So this plug here, you plug it in from one side. And guys, just to mention, if it doesn't work, right, just turn the connectors around and it should work. So pop it in like that. It also tells you what is positive and what is negative. The reason you don't plug it in anyway, positive is red, negative is black. It gives you there's two icons there, so that's a nice hint for you as well. So make sure you put it in the right way. So positive, there we go. And now, before I fit this all back in properly, I'm going to test it to make sure it works, so then we can pop it all back in. So let's go. There we have it, people. So LED lights have been installed. Just trying to show you. So there's the side light now. That was meant to be yellow, so I'll show you the other one. There you go. So that's the difference already. You can see straight away. So that one was yellow. Obviously these are very similar because the LED is like similar to the HID. This is 6K. I'm trying to show you 6K, the HID bulb, and obviously the extra LED. But according to this, it looks a lot brighter. It looks pure from this side already compared to the other side. And then of course got the fog lights as well. So everything I've got, link in the description. I'm gonna now do that side and complete the video. So let's get straight to it. So that's now installed. Actually, first let me test the light to see if it works. So let's test it all. Wazimo, what's up? Banga! Actually, all in people. So if I was to keep it on Sidelights, it is looking absolutely crisp, amazing. All of them, Auxbeam. You've got some A1 LED lights. Link in the description to all of these things. Yeah. Got another YouTuber, well, subscriber. He's gonna start a YouTube channel. Man like Jamil. Hey, what are you saying, Jamil? You good, bro? Yeah. Hey,
Yeah,
blessed, man.
I'm good.
There's a nice gold part here as well, you know. So, yeah. Cheese. My gosh. Yeah. Fair enough, man. I'll take care, bro, yeah? Take it easy, man. Man like Jamil. It's a madness, man. It's gonna take a bit. Eesh. With these DSG farts, man. That's so nice, man. There he is. Let's get back on it. Right, it's time to put all of this back up. My bumper back, tidy all this up here, and wrap the video up. I'm going to do some cinematic shots next. And also people, next video I'm going to do is going to be taking out the center console so we can install the iDrive controller. So as it looks now, try and get some lights in here. So iDrive controller is going to be in here, over there. So I'm going to do some work here, remove all of this. Gonna wrap this as well. Gonna wrap that, change this gear gator, wrap this bit here that's fading. And people, it is gonna be a mission. That video, you have to all check it out. So stay tuned for that. Again, big thank you for Auxbeam for sponsoring this video. And that's it, people. Time to do some cinematic shots. Peace.